Jatend piny William Ruto jiwo jo-Kenya mondo osir lwedo jotelo duto manyocha oyudo loch e yiero ma adundo mondo gibed gi yot e konye kelo lokruok mabiro chwalo Kenya e ngas mar pinje mabeyo moloyo e piny mangima. Koloso e kanisa mar AIC Milimani, okoni dwache maduong' en kelo lokruok mabiro miyo jo-Kenya duto neno ber kendo piny Kenya rieny, ka bende okoni jo-Kenya mondo bed gi yie ni lekno biro chopo kare.
When I was launching the biggest road stretch of 175 kilometers that's going to unlock the potential of half of our country, I was very proud that finally God is opening spaces for Kenya. We will be doing another 4 or 5 or 6 of those major infrastructure in the coming year, and many of the other things that we have laid out to do. I am asking you as members of my local church and as Christians to pray for the plans we have for Kenya, so that God can make the difference in Kenya. I am very confident. I have no doubt in my mind that it is possible to move Kenya from a third world country to a first world country before I die. It's possible. In the next, by the time I get to 90, Kenya should be a first world country. Yes. And that is just about 30 years from now.